In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Gmail account without the recovery email address and phone number, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So if you have lost access to your Gmail account and now you don't have the recovery email address or the phone number, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, click on the search bar and in the search bar type Gmail account recovery, click on this first link, scroll down and click on recover a hacked or hijacked Google account. Scroll down again and click on account recovery page. Now enter the email address that you're trying to recover and click on next. So as you can see that it's asking for password, but we don't remember that as well. So click on try another way. Click on this update password option. And from here you can easily change the password of your Gmail account. In this way, you can recover your Gmail account without the recovery email address and phone number. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.